Now I think this is working rather than last time. So I'll go ahead and get into it. This is actually going to be me trading live, by the way. So I don't know why I have my hand up like this. So weird. Anyways, okay. So I'm going to take a look at the economic calendar. I'll go ahead and show that screen. So, let's see here. We have PMI today, which just came out actually. That explains the chop that happened here. And we have some more. We have non-factoring prices coming out in 6 minutes, and we also have crude oil coming out in 36 minutes. Very nice. And on financial juice, let's see if we have any officials talking. No, just a Fed rep. Yeah, just a couple Fed reps and Google earnings call. Okay, cool. By the way, this is the account, so if y'all were wondering. We'll go ahead and go back. Yeah. And on the hourly, I already marked out my highs and lows. I could mark these highs, but I mean, I don't think we're gonna get there. I'll mark them just in case. This in my ear. So, thought process. Well, I want longs. But the only way that I will be getting into longs is if we sweep these two areas. If there is anything lower, which there is, it seems like. There. So if we just sweep these two areas, cool. We'll look into longs. If we don't and we end up sweeping down here, cool. We'll look into longs that way. If longs aren't the move and we just continue going down, then I will look for I'll look for PD arrays, premium discount arrays, going the anticipated direction. So, yeah. I'll go ahead and go on the 1 minute. Just gonna wait. We are just gonna wait. Also, I didn't trade yesterday because there were some things I needed to take care of in the morning. So, I was unable to trade yesterday. I was not about to trade today, but um it it was okay. I mean, I slept in a little bit, but 20 minutes after market open isn't too late, in my opinion. Simply because a lot of times, like I mentioned in the very beginning, there's chop. So once market open, we had a bunch of chop, and then we started going back down. So it was a good thing that I did actually sleep in, because I would have witnessed this chop, and I mean, I wouldn't have reacted towards it, but it saves me time. That's how I look at it. And we just sweeped here, so we'll be looking for a reason to get into longs, if a reason shows itself. But yeah, in the meantime, I am going to eat my yogurt. So, to this fair value gap, but obviously, it seems like we are actually going to have an inversion fair value gap right here. See how this candle closes, see if that validates it. Not validate. If anything, we still respected this bearish fair value gap. Or inefficiency, however you want to call it. I know many people call it different things. People call a lot of trading terminology so many different ways. There's the way that people learned from ICT. There's the Wyckoff method. There's the basic method where it's bull flags, bear flags, etc. There's supply and demand. It's a lot. There's a lot of trading terminology. Footprint charts, delta charts, a lot of trading terminology. But it does look like breakthrough. See if we have a bullish premium discount array, which would be a buy side inefficiency, or yeah, mainly just a buy side inefficiency. If we get past here, then, and if I decide to even take a trade at this area, then we'd have to go off of a basic continuation trade up into this fair value gap and then up to one of these areas up here. So yeah, might have a fair value gap. I have this right here. See if we have a fair value gap. We have to wait for the candle to close to actually be a confirmed confluence. I could delete this. Oh wait, this was a green candle. Oh, that changes some things then. So if we close bullish above this, then that would be, which we did, be CSID. We retested, and we continue going higher. So that could actually be an entry. I'm gonna wait till the end of the candle though. Candle seems like it's gonna close bullish. Entry. Take profit past that consolidation area. Let's see here. I'd have to go for somewhat of a one-to-one because of my entry point. But I can scale in as the price moves up. Let's see. Because it seems like it will be a large move. So I'll go ahead and switch screens so y'all can see it. So here's the trade. And yeah, we're just gonna have to wait, see how it goes. Price could definitely just keep going and hit that 420 area. So we'll just have to wait and see. It looks like we're stuck in a little bit of consolidation here. Just have to see how price reacts and see if we could break out of this. Seems like we're gonna hit stop loss. It was one tick away. Yeah, there it is. It's gonna hit stop loss. Okay. Super unfortunate. Super unfortunate. But it is what it is. I mean, man. Consolidated for so long, I was really expecting us to start having a move up. Price did not want that at all. Price was not looking for it at all. So that trade was a bust. Let's see. See if we have something. If not, then I'm just not gonna trade anymore. End the day off from. I'll just cut the day off here. So I'll just go ahead and wait and see if something pops up. But yeah, that's really unfortunate. I was really expecting us to actually like start having a move up and continue going higher too. Oh, price did not want us to go up. That's crazy. Could have something here, but we'll just have to wait for the candle to close. Could be another pretty large trade. It would be longs again. So, yeah, we're just gonna have to enter. And this stop loss is gonna be right at the end of that large impulsive move. And we're just gonna put our take profit back at 420. And we just have a large impulsive move down again. That's crazy. Alright, well, I mean, those were the two trades I took. First trade was here off of that move up, started breaking down, and we had a large move up, and then we broke all the way down to stop loss. And then we had another trade where we had this large move up, and price just same thing, trickled down to stop loss. So, I mean, in terms of psychology, I'm more so, it's like I had good execution, right? My execution was good. It's just that probabilities weren't on my side, right? So, yeah. I'm actually going to do this, lock myself out, so that way I can't take another trade. But, yeah. Yeah. It's super unfortunate, isn't it? But, I mean, what can you do? Nothing, really. I can't go back in time and not take those trades, right? It's all the trades made sense in terms of entry points. So, I mean, right here, just based off of we had a move down and then we went up, invalidating this candle, breaking the breaking downwards structure, downwards pressure in this one and in this candle right here. We broke downwards pressure and we were good to keep going higher. However, we just decided to trickle down even more, and yeah, those are just uncontrollables. And you know, what can you do? Nothing. So all I can do is just wait till tomorrow and see if I have a trade then. But yeah, all being said, that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and I will see y'all tomorrow. I don't believe I have anything planned, so more than likely I will be trading. So yeah, alright, peace.